Hey babes, welcome back to Love Milani. It's your girl Anastasia Milani, and we are back with Vlogmas day number 7. Yes, y'all, we are a week in already. Like, how did we get here? We're already here. So this is super exciting. As you can see by the title, you guys, we are doing a baddie on a budget synthetic wig edition. I thought it would be a good idea to add this to my Vlogmas because during the holidays, we're super busy. We're stressed. We're trying to cook. We're trying to get gifts. We're trying to make family arrangements. It's just a lot of stuff going on that we're trying to take care of. So I thought this would be a great idea to take one of the stressors off your hair. Y'all already know how I feel about synthetic wigs, the way you can shake and go, throw one on and go, all that good stuff. So I thought it would be a perfect video to save you some time during this holiday season. So the wig that we're reviewing today, y'all, is a Melted Hairline by Outre. And it's in the style Camellia. What? It's right here. And I just picked this up from Amazon. I believe it was like $45. I think I always say that. $45, but I'll have the price for sure up here for you guys. I got the color 1B. It says it's a 28 wig, it says it's a 28-inch wig, HD, all that good stuff. I really wanted something with a side part this time because I'm so used to like a middle part. So I wanted something with a little bit of a side part. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, perfect. Let's try her. So we're going to take her out of her, wait a minute. Take her out of the packaging. Y'all know synthetic wigs always have to do the, you know what? Do the most with their packaging. So we have all of this stuff. And y'all want to make sure to make this video fairly quick because I just want to show you, the whole thing is about saving time and it being no hassle. So I wanted to make the video fairly quick and just show you how easily you can do this. So right now it's about 45 after. See how long it takes me to install this wig. So we're going to cut the tag off and then I'm going to cut the lace. Okay, I think this is one of the wigs that have, and I actually, let me show y'all. I'm trying to hurry up. Let me show you guys. So this is the lace, the parting, and this just has one single like part. So you can't do it multiple ways. It's just one single part. It has the elastic band, which I always appreciate that in wigs. It helps keep them snug. And it's like a yaki, like more of a thicker texture. It has a nice weight on it. And it just has like some curls, not too tight. Looks like if you were to get, it looks like if you were to get your hair like blow dried and curled it, it's kind of giving that vibe. So I like that. It's not like super silky. But back to cutting. Oh, that's what I was saying. So I really dislike I hate when they have like that fake like hairline or scalp or whatever with the baby hairs. I just cut that mess off. But we got the lace pretty much cut. I usually put makeup on it, but I usually have more lace to like conceal and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on and then like put some makeup on top and not under because I just have this like strip. So it's just to blend in with the faux head or whatever. So we're going to take her off because she is not laid. Woo, child. I got to stop doing that. I got to start. Let me start getting a little more prepared. And y'all, this is really showing y'all you could just do this in a crunch with whatever you got. I'm out of freaking lace spray. And I don't have any gel, like any glue. Well, I have glue, but I don't want to glue a synthetic wig down. It's just too much. Like glue be messy and it's just not worth it to me. So I'm just using some hairspray I got. And this is not even like a strong hold one. But since I don't have like much lace, like I'm not really worried about it. I need to hurry up. Ooh, okay. I need to cut a little bit more of the lace off. So let me see. Where is that? Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to search for that part. I don't know where it went. Oh, I do not like my parts on this side. I do not like my parts on this side of my head. Do y'all have that? Like, you have like one side that you like wear your hair and your parts? I like my part to be on my right side and the hair to fall on the left. That's just like how I've always been. And this one, wait, is it right here? Yeah, that's it. So the wig laid pretty decent. Just, I mean, this is just literally with nothing, just the hairline. Like, as you can see, it has like potential. Like, y'all see that? Like, it has potential to be really good. So I'm gonna put a little more spray on it. I'm gonna put on one of my elastic bands and see if I can lay it down with this little hairspray. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes to try and get some type of layage down. Fingers crossed that it does something, y'all, and I'll be back and show you guys what it looked like. Okay, y'all, so it's been about a little over 5 minutes, so let's take her off and see. I feel like I'm about to wow. Let's take her off. Oh, I didn't think that was tight, but it was. Going to put some makeup on my lace. I should have wiped around my hairline with some alcohol to get any like residue off. Okay, y'all, this is the initial part, the side part. So I'm about to comb it. It's a little nappy, actually. I kept saying it was like thick, but it's kind of like, girl, it's kind of like your fingers are getting stuck. I don't know about that, especially because it's synthetic. If it was real like human hair, but it's synthetic, so I feel like that just means tangled, because it's kind of feeling like, ugh, you know. Hey y'all, this is me after I've combed it through. It did the little part without any plucking, without any heat, anything like that. It's just literally me brushing it and doing the part it's supposed to be. I think it's a safe hair choice. Like, it's not bad, but it's definitely not my fave. It's kind of just sitting. It's kind of just giving wig. It's just giving, I don't know, it's giving like a lot of hair up here. Has a hump. I feel like my idea of this being a quick and easy wig, this wig in particular is not her. I feel like I have to do a lot of zhooshing to make this look like something. So it's not giving like my other synthetic wigs that are just throw them on, they're already cute, they're already ready to go. It's giving no boo, you're gonna have to work. So that's what we about to do. We about to put some work in, cut some layers in here, do some baby hairs. I'll probably have to turn on a curling iron and add some curls, because I don't like how this is laying. Like, yeah, no, I don't like how this is laying. So I'm gonna first cut some layers, and then I'm going to curl it and see what happens. So okay, y'all, I decided to do a voiceover for this part, just so we can get through a little faster. So as you've seen, I did some plucking of the wig, and then I'm just like combing it out or brushing it out, trying to just see like what is going on here, because it was not giving bookie. Then I cut some baby hairs because I thought maybe I wanted baby hairs, but I didn't like it, so we didn't proceed with that. And so now I'm just taking a leap on faith here, y'all. I'm just snipping. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm just grabbing, snipping, hoping for the best, you know, just hoping for the best. And there I go, looking concerned, but I'm still going though. Okay, we did it. But I'm like, why is there a hump on the top of my head, y'all? My hair is flat under here. Why is there a hump? So I had to get a little, you know, get the little grease stick, or not the grease stick, the wax stick, and try and lay something down. It did help. I mean, because it's fibers, it's synthetic, like it's manipulated easily. And then I get my little curling iron. I'm like, okay, boom. Let's see what it's giving. Yeah. Oh, no, baby. It starts sizzling, y'all. My hand's hot. It didn't even It didn't even curl. So I don't understand what was, oh, and I had the nerve to have, I don't want to tell y'all how high I had it. Okay, y'all, so then I finally got like a piece of a curl going. It looked decent. I was like, okay. I'm kind of feeling her. She looked kind of cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like, I can't really like run my fingers through it or nothing because it's a little heat damage. But I was like, this is kind of cute, you know? But I went back because it started falling, like the bangs start falling kind of weird. So I said, let me try it again. Okay, hold it. Because I feel like that helped, like me holding it up there. And then boom. Okay. Oh, nope. Ugh. You know, we just got to smile through the pain. Okay, y'all. So this is what I ended up with. I do not feel like continuing to go back and forth with this wig, y'all. It kind of shook me because this was supposed to be a freaking quick and easy synthetic wig little thing. And it took me like a good 30 minutes to get this wig to look somewhat like how I want it to look. There's still some things, you know, messed up with the lace, but that's because I only had hairspray. So at the end of the day, I can only do what I can do. I didn't like the way that the hair laid. It was just like kind of straight with like a little piece of bump and curl at the end. So I tried to at least cut some layers in the front and add a little bit of curl. I've never, well, actually I probably have a long time ago, but put heat on a synthetic wig. I typically don't. The curls are usually laying well when I get my synthetic wigs, but this one I just didn't like it. So I added a few curls in the front. And yeah, I think I had my freaking curling iron too hot. It started sizzling. It started doing things it wasn't supposed to do. And then started getting melting, like, or feeling super hot in my hand. So y'all, this Vlogmas quick and easy hairstyle was a fail. Okay, but that's okay. We keep it real. We keep it real, raw, and uncut. It is what it is. I'm gonna try again. We got 25 days of Vlogmas. I'm gonna try another wig. I like that I've been doing like these wigs blind pretty much. Like I've never tried this wig before. I didn't know what it was about. I'm gonna get another one that I've never tried before, and we're gonna have a part 2 of this because I don't take no L's now. Okay, this supposed to be quick and easy. I meant like 10 minutes. I didn't mean 30. I could have just did my hair, my real hair. But no, it's cute now. Like I feel like it's appropriate. This is something different for me. I don't do side parts, so on top of the wig taking forever, it's a side part. I'm not used to it. You know, I'm a middle part, bust down type of guy. Bust down. That's Tiana. 100 kids type of girl. So yeah, but it's cool. I'll probably give this wig like a 5 out of 10. Is that too bad? 5 out of 10. It's not for me. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts below. If y'all tried this wig before, did y'all have to use heat on it, or did it lay right for you? Let me know what you guys think below. I still hope you guys enjoyed the video. Trial and error. It is what it is. Happy Vlogmas. I'm happy you stayed to the end and watched it. If you're new here, hi. I would love for you to subscribe below and join the family. If you're a returning subby, hi babes. Welcome back. Let me know your thoughts below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.